seen before. I say yo, tell the girls I wanna meet up. On second time, that ain't the way to go. I gotta give a game proper. Spit it so she get it, that she is, I gotta stop her. Or should I talk about a smile? Or what about a style? I'm out of time, she's out the door, I gotta go for mine. Or should I talk about a smile? Or what about a style? I'm out of time, she's out the door, I gotta go for mine. Let the girl say oh. Excuse me, miss, oh yeah. And I gotta admit that you got my attention, you're making me want to say oh. Are you tryna leave? I saw the next with you. How I love to keep you here with me, yo baby. Now so they grab hold of my hand. I love to blush when somebody says your name. In my stomach there's a pain. You walk in my direction, I go the other way. I start to stutter when I speak. Understanding that my knees go weak. What's happening to me? In the dark, can you tell me what it means? I lay my head on my pillow, staring out the corner, star for a sign.
Just to show us the stars in the sky. I need you to shine in my life. Not just for the meanwhile, for a long, long time. Better believe it. Whenever you're not in my presence, it feels like I'm missing my blessings, yeah. So I sleep through the daylight, stay awake all night. Till you're back again, oh yeah, yeah. You think I'm biased to my significant other. You hit it right on the head, only been missing my lover. Got a phone that it takes to my phone and it don't reply. The next day boss and you lie. Oh, they're medicine, yeah, yeah. Worried about nobody else. Making sure I'm myself.
Mugs were on sale, and this one says grateful, and it's really big. So the mugs are $5, 40% off. This is the second one. Happy fall, y'all. I love that so much. Happy fall, y'all. We are officially getting ready for fall. Fall mug. And then it's like a sweater and the inside. Hi you all, and welcome to the new segment of this video. Fall semester. And fall semester started yesterday for me. I completed all 3 of my classes for the week. This is not new to anybody that knows me personally. I complete my work a lot. I made iced matcha latte. So this is original powder and vanilla powder with the vanilla almond milk that's sweetened, Italian sweet creamer, and cold foam. So this is what I'm drinking. Too good. I'm an iced matcha girl. Drinking this alkaline water as well. 1 of these liters a day, Monday through Friday, really helps me. I drink it Saturday and Sunday too. But yeah, this is fall semester. It's actually already time, and I made a yogurt bowl. I'll insert a video here in my new purple bowl. 50 cent bowl in this day and age. Yes, please. I have my headband on. Hair's kind of done. I did my edges and slick it back, but I am waiting till later after I finish doing my other work. That's gonna work now because it's just my Apple Pencil to finish charging on my iPad so that I can do my Bible journaling. Okay, as I was saying, I prepped for fall semester, started fall semester, and today I'm starting other work plus content. So I have this headband on because I have to, like I said, slick the hair down for a campaign I need to record today. I'm very excited for that. I'm gonna do like a time lapse of me journaling for the day for my Bible journal and my plan for today. I am truly thankful to be a college student again and graduating again. Nothing hits like a good fall semester, you know. But anywho, if you know this one, If you if you know, let me know. Okay.
Clean up the mess, drop it in the water, let the daughter find her image with the rest. She'll be learning how to breathe, spinning through identity, reveal another pretty little scheme. Save her mind, hold her hand, and don't believe a lie.